Hello and welcome to Landscape Artist of the Year Canada. Sorry. You're looking like a rock star right now,
Well,
Mark.
that's
Your
the
long hair
idea.
fanning. Me
I'm
too.
working it. Want to see my Cher impersonations?
Yes, please. You heard about the artist competition?
No.
It ended in a draw.
Oh.
Okay,
So-
now you're speaking in code here. I don't know what you mean.
Yeah, I don't either. Now that I think of it.
You mean the Pastelli oil painting that's made of acrylic? Is that what you mean?
Our expert judges would, and that was the weirdest yogurt I ever had. It's yogurt with fruit flavor and some cereal, a little like couple
Oh,
of
gross, I
grains
hate
of
that
cereal.
stuff. Ugh.
Oh, bloody tie. This man's obsessed with my tie.
Beauty shot. Oh,
Oh!
oh,
The boat.
ahoy, matey!
Oh, it's very accomplished paint handling.
Definitely.
You thought it was mullets that jumped out of lakes,
Well,
but
no
salmon,
mullets are this
big
big.
thing like this.
Oh, no, this big.
No, I
fish
swear it was
story.
this big.
90 kilograms. That's yeah.
90 kilograms.
Kilograms. You
of
said
salmon.
you asked how much I weighed.
No, what did you eat
What did you
today?
eat this
I was like, you ate
Can't
19
remember, it was too
kilograms
long
of what?
ago.
Were your glasses always up like that?
No.
Yes, you're right.
Later on, when we're not on camera, I have a joke about
Okay.
painters, but it's
Okay.
not suitable for TV right now. Why did Van Gogh decide to be a painter?
Don't know.
Because he didn't have an ear for music.